wrong screen. Hi guys! It's been a hot minute since I last streamed. How are you guys doing? Oh, come on. There we go. Is that a haircut I see? Yes, I got my haircut today. Alright, so, I am slightly, tired. I am tired. Not gonna lie to you guys. 18 KDK. So I'm gonna do my hour of streaming and then hit the bed. I gotta finish this by sometime this week, though, so, oh, this is missing a ground. Alright. I'll do my hour of stream and then hop off for the night. How's that sound? You are not an old man. Oh my goodness. What volume did I have? Why was that so loud? Ow. Maybe I am an old man. I have aged 60 years in the past 2 days. But thank you, Bellin, for the 100 bits. Alright. What did I do in the past 2 days? Had my event, and then I basically slept for the entire day yesterday because I got a fat headache and almost passed out like 4 times. And then I woke up today. I woke up at like 3 AM last night and haven't slept. How was the event? First workshop was a Python workshop. I haven't uploaded the video to YouTube, or else Bellin would have known. Because here's the thing, right? The Python workshop, my goal was to set their compilers up and then teach them enough Python all the way to classes. Want to guess where I got them up to? I got them up to conditionals. I got them to if statements. Not even the for loops. It was horrendous. So I told myself, I told myself I wouldn't upload it until I recorded the rest of it myself, because the PowerPoint presentation I had went into classes and like stuff like that, like PNP, not PNP, PEP, docstring, if main, set up nowhere else. You know, after that course, I think I've optimized setup. You know, we got through setup in an hour. It was very efficient, actually. It was just Python setup, so Visual Studio Code, and I also set up GitHub. But still, everyone got past the setup stage, so that was impressive. I still have zero trust in the language. So I gotta give a 2-hour lecture plus just to get it to classes, and I'll post it up for them. But right now, not yet. And then I have to prepare for next week's workshop, which is on circuit analysis. So, no pressure. The first workshop already wiped me out. I have 11 more to go. So, like, this is not gonna go well. Checking my things here. You guys notice how hot it's been lately? Like in Cali, it's been like over 100 every single day, and it doesn't help with the fact that I have like 8 million printers here, all acting as an oven. Right now, it's like a 90 degrees in my room, and counting. I went ahead and installed this. You guys see it? There's a huge fan mounted on my wall now, just to blow cold air into my room or something. Absolutely horrible. The heat's insane. I just want it to be cold again. Been in Houston where we had 100+ heat wave. It's been 100+ degrees every single day. It's horrible. I hate the heat. Like it was so hot yesterday because I 5 of my printers were up at the same time. Right now I have 4 printers running at the same time. It's horrible. I want another Belty. Unfortunately, I cannot. It's probably way worse where you are. We're probably like 10 degrees cooler. Yeah, it is hot. Yeah. I saw it get to like 110 degrees earlier today. It was insane. Like, I want another Belty because I use Belty so much, but like, I have nowhere to put it. Like, I literally have 0 space in my room now. And like, I have both Belties running right now at the same time, and I have more jobs for Belty. I need a 3rd Belty right now to print something else, but I don't have a 3rd Belty. You can put it in my house. I'm waiting for me to graduate so I can get my warehouse workshop thingy. I'm like insanity. Can you first move your house to CA? Yes, Gollum. Come move to CA. Say hi to me. I'm not gonna know who you are. Anyways, what was I doing? Right. I gotta go ahead and do some regulator math here. Okay, so I gotta find the resistor. Gotta find the resistor ratio to get down to 5 volts. Why is this 10 volts? UF. Alright, so 16.8 to 12, and then 12 volts to 5 volts. I wonder if mobile homes would increase in value if we moved in from Alabama. No clue, Bellum, no clue. That's not Bellum, that's Positron. No clue, Positron. Bellum, you and Positron's names are the same color on my screen. They're both dark green. It's hard to tell. $3,000. Okay, that's easier. I have a 3,000 ohm resistor. So 1K and 3K will make 5 volts. And then I believe the solenoid can take 12 volts as well. The motors can take 12 volts, solenoids can take 12 volts too. So right here, I can put a 12 volts. VCC. I believe VCC is... Right, I don't know why I did this. 5 volts. And then it goes into another one, which spits out as 3.3 volts. Okay. Do I do one for 7.2 volts? That's the question. No, I can feed both 12 volts into the solenoid circuit, right? I probably can. 5 volts. Ah. Triple trouble. Yeah, something like that. Alright, so now I have 2 LM338s here. Let's see. I gotta like not pull a Thursday in which I actually fell asleep during stream. I just like completely spaced out that stream. I went immediately to bed right after. That one was fun. Alright, I need a oh, there's 2 solenoids to this thing, so I need some 30N06 LEs. 30N06 LEs. Yeah. I don't know of how this PCB is going to actually fit on the board. There's an IC version of the 30N06LE. Huh. Something. N06LE. Alright. Sneeze. Yes, sneeze. It says it's at the end of life for the FQP. Shit. Why is the new one twice as expensive? Why are these MOSFETs so expensive? Like, why? It's here just to make my life suffer. Planned obsolescence. We should all go back to Windows 7. Wouldn't that be nice? Oh, why is it like this? Oh, I sure hope it's mapped correctly. I sure hope this thing is mapped correctly. Alright. I know how to deal with this thing. This has to go to... I'm gonna put an OLED on this. Yeah, I'm gonna put an OLED on this. So when the battery rolls up to you, we can be like, hey, I am this much full. And then, I still don't know what this VCC tag is for. I'm just gonna delete it. Okay, 9 will be Sol 1. So be Sol 2. Sol 1. So the solenoid connectors have to be up there. I'm gonna make it a JST. It's like ASMR music right there. Where's my part search? Components? Yeah. Header 2. Okay. And then I have to get from 12 volts, right? Because 1.5 amps of current is going to go through this. I sure hope this diagram is right, because if not, I'm going to run into some fun issues. Save my work. Yes, thank you. Save my work. Okay, I need a flyback diode, right? Flyback diode points upwards, right? Right, because it's going back. Probably. Hopefully. None of this thing is gonna crash. Yeah, it is, right? Because if the current is too much, it's going to flow through the back. This circuit is like one of the first circuits I've ever learned, and it's got to be one of my favorite circuits. It's a basic MOSFET circuit with a pull-down resistor. Alright. This is solenoid. So when a 5-volt signal gets passed into the MOSFET, it opens up, allows the current to flow through, touch the ground, and activate the solenoid. So we have voltage crap down here, we have step-down circuit with AMS, we have double motor driver circuit, RF wireless receiver. I need the OLED, right? Let me just steal this real quick. Now I gotta remember what ST and STL were. Do a little bit of stealing. Alright. I done? Okay, so parts of the circuit. You have the MCU, RF wireless receiver, OLED display module, step down circuit from 12 volts, no, 5 volts to 3.3 volts for the RF wireless receiver, and 16.8 to 12 volts to 5 volt regulator. Each of these can handle up to 5 amps as a limit. So the solenoids will draw, like, solids will draw 3 amps at max if both of them are actuated at the same time. Motors will not draw more than 1 amp because it has a gearbox, I believe. If it doesn't have a gearbox, I'm going to be very sad. Hopefully. Double motor driver circuit, OLED display module, solenoid action. I think it's done. Am I missing anything? Now the struggle is actually fitting this thing onto like whatever the size of the other one was. Let me get the dimensions for that. Okay, our size limitation is I gotta change the inches because PCBs do things in inches. Grab a notepad so I can write this down. It's playing Procrastinating by Sleepy Fish. It's a good song name. It's a 2.756. 2756 mil. That's actually pretty big, actually. No. 2.08 inches, so 2080 mil, and then the holes I can change later. I think the holes are fine. Actually, this is a good amount of space. Okay. If I did my math right. If I did my math right. Alright, let me just save everything, quietly annotate. And then update. Errors occurred. The capacitor, what is this? Affected object 11. What's object 11? It's this error again. Gotta find the footprint from wherever it is. Library not found for cap. If. Yes, only if. Okay, I gotta find where I got that part then. Where is this footprint? Oh, where is this thing? C1206. Just copy this. Okay, that wasn't the right thing to do. This is the wrong file. Oh, it's right here. Okay. Found it. I have to add the footprint for each one of these, right? What do you mean library not found? I literally found it. I don't want it to be this way. Okay, now it links to the correct one. Well, the bill of materials for this thing is going to be insane. Oh, this has got to be one. Do we use capacitors anywhere else? No. Fine. Error has occurred. Custom resistor. I know where this is, I just don't know where to find it. Where did I steal these resistors from again?
add the SAMXC library into this folder, right? Installed. Where is it? It's in my Altium folder, which is somewhere. Oh, it's an Altium LL. Okay. I know where it is now. PC documents, Altium LL. Access SCH lib and PCB lib. Alrighty. And then we just add these footprints based on the library. I think. Yeah, that's it. Right. Because I can't copy from another project without yelling at me every 5 seconds. What's on par? So SCH lib. I don't know what this resistor is called. CMR? No. RMC? No. Ah! Which one is it? I should open this and check it, huh? It's not in here. Okay, where the heck did I get the schematic for the first one then? Right? No, it didn't like that. Okay. I think I just gotta add it and then like deal with the consequences later. these 5 resistors to deal with. I don't think this is gonna fit. Like, I sure hope it fits, but I don't think it's gonna fit. Unless I use SMD resistors. Then I might have a chance. Okay, let's try it now. No errors, I think. Oh, lovely. Yeah. Alright, let's draw the lines first. So, based on my calculations, I need to make this thing... just to give it room to fit. 2,500 by 1950 mil. How's that? It'd be 2,700. No, 2,700 is too much. 2,650. 2,650 by 1950. I think that's going to be a good measurement to do. So let's do it. Let's put the snap to 50. And then give me a line. DX is 2,650. And then down by 1950. Oh. Okay. Let's measure this to make sure it's right. 1950. Oh my goodness! What is with Twitch volume today? Oh my! Why is it like 8,000 times louder than normal? Thank you, Hit Tennis, for the raid. It's been so loud today. Yes, that was my raid notification. It's not supposed to be that loud. It's never that loud. Yeah, that just woke me the heck up. Oh my goodness. I was about to go to sleep here. Hey guys. I could barely hear it. I mean, I think it's a good thing for you guys. I could hear it very, 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 very loudly. Oh my goodness, that was such a loud ring in my ear. Should have already been a warning when Bella went ahead and donated 100 bits at the beginning, and it like blasted my ears away. I should steal that sound effect for my alarm clock. Yes, I have it in my computer somewhere. I bass boosted a church, the Taco Bell logo sound effect, and that's my notification. But hey guys, that's what that was. Yes, it's a bass boosted Taco Bell sound effect. At least you know someone raised it. Yes, it was really quiet in here before the raid happened. So thank you. You never realized that. Well, now you do. Alright, just making sure my PCB is the right size. I'm going to go ahead and not do the curves yet. Did I tell you guys that I was dealing with a little bit of inflammation? Actual hearing loss. I'm going to get tinnitus from this. I am working on a I'm working on the driver PCB for this little guy. Ah. Thank you for the follow, Robodom711. I gotta turn down my volume even more. So I'm working on the PCB for this little guy. It's a RC car that has a huge 4S LiPo battery for no apparent reason. And the PCB goes in the back, and that's what I'm working on. So it's a really easily remover. It's my notification for apparently everything except for gift subs. You're gonna go deaf by the end of the stream. Don't worry, the follower notification is a lot quieter. No one can sneak up on him. Exactly. So I'm working on the PCB for that little car. I already have the schematic drawn out. There's a bunch of different components to actually drive the thing while fitting inside the device. If we see a ghost behind you, we can alert you if to follow. Yes, thank you. That would be very helpful. Alright, so I am going to find the board shape. Okay, and then to find the origin. Okay, so, oh my goodness, all of these parts have to fit into this small square. Now that I say that, that's a little bit difficult, considering the Arduino Pro Micro is like this big. Tetris. Yeah. It's time for some Tetris, actually. Great. Great. Okay. How am I gonna do this? You should play the theme song. I'm gonna get copyrighted if I play the theme song for Tetris, unfortunately. So, what is the best way to fit all of this inside that small space? Oh, that's gonna be tricky. Should have used SMD resistors. How are you using LTM doesn't have an insane price tag? I am a student. This is for school. That's the solution. I am doing this for a school project. This little board is supposed to drive this RC car around. There's a sung version that isn't copyrightable. I don't know, man. Like they're gonna find a way to copyright me for that. Altium Student is fortunately free. Fortunately, I have a year left of using Altium before I have to switch to KiCad, and that'll be sad because I cannot afford that insane price tag. The like H bridge is already this big. What? And I have to fit like all 8 diodes somewhere. Oh my goodness, that's gonna be painful. It's gonna be painful to route and painful to build. Alright, let's get started, I guess. I'm gonna punch it down to 10 mils just so that we can use the entirety of the board space. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna make the curves first and the holes, just because I know it's gonna come back to bite me in the butt if I don't do it first. So let me make it. If I remember correctly, it's 200 down, right? Yeah, because these holes already take a lot of my footprint up. The mounting holes for the PCB, at least. Should have used SMD components. Should have used SMD diodes. I did so much electronics in college, networking degree from the DeVry. I'm colorblind, so it was a real adventure. I bet you love those resistors, huh? Resistors are a blast. You're making a 3D print. Yes. I mean, I'm actually printing the battery chamber on my on my CR30 back there, and also I'm printing a bunch of other stuff on my other printers back here. But this is a PCB. It's an electronic component. So once I finish this, I can actually order it, and then build the RC battery card, which is absolutely useless. If I'm going to be honest. It's something fun, but, you know, fundamentally, what does it actually do? That I'm not sure. 100 mil. Call it marketing and you're done. Single layer board? Nah, double layer. Definitely. How else am I gonna wire all of this crap together? Unless by single layer board you mean like, I don't know. I'm not CNCing this thing out. I have yet to practice CNCing a double-sided board on my CNC machine. I have yet to try that. Arc center. Favorite part of PCB design? Favorite part of my PCB design are these curves. So that's a little too much. Makes them look bendy and neat. I might have to switch to the SMD diodes and SMD capacitors, if I'm gonna be honest. Or resistors. It's not gonna fit. It's like one of those boards where space really is an issue. It's ready to leave, but it's getting late for me. Alright, have a good night, Robodom. And thank you. I will have a great rest of my stream. Yep, take care. Alright, this has single-handedly reduced my footprint by a lot. Up. Shape. Okay, now we have a rounded board. And now I can go ahead and, Wait, what happened to my rules? Convert. So long. I have to teach KiCad in 2 weeks. I don't know how to use KiCad. Uh-oh. Yeah, I should probably make a PCBs in KiCad before it's too late. Or KiCad, or whatever the pronunciation is. You guys didn't hear it from me first. Alright, so, how am I gonna attack this? I think I'm gonna put the Arduino Pro Micro like this. Like this. And then I'm gonna put the H-bridge up top. Now the H-bridge has like 8 different diodes. Because why not? Oh boy. Okay. Um, 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 Right, they're organized differently. So, like, I'm gonna have to do something like this. Nope, nope. Maybe sideways. There's not enough space sideways. Or maybe I can do this. I can do this. Oh, that's gonna be confusing to put together. Okay, that works. Routing's gonna be tough. Just say one lesson ahead. Yeah. This week's lesson is circuit analysis, which is fine. Next week is circuit construction, which is also fine. Then the week after that is gonna be brutal. Oh, I bet this is gonna cause a short or something. This is not how you're supposed to design a PCB. Okay, we've stuffed all of the diodes and H bridges up there. I have to make room for the nRF thing. I think this is enough room for it. I know it's a pretty hefty PCB. I know I can put the AMS thing inside the Arduino Pro Micro because I've done it before. What are these things? Oh, these are the IC1, IC2. Are these the... Wait. Okay, Q1, Q2 are the solenoids. So these are the MOSFETs. There's gotta be one on the left, one on the right. Right, I'm just gonna nest them up here. I'm gonna flip them and nest them up there because solenoid 1 and solenoid 2 are like right there. Okay. M1, M2, what are these? M1, M2. Wait, what are M1 and M2? Oh. 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 You know what? Screw it. They're gonna be JSTs instead. Update. Okay. Okay. Sure. VN. Oh, this is okay. Alright. I think I can put VN down here, and then the nRF24L01 flip it and put it up here. Let's go by redeem save my work. Thank you. I'll save my work. These are going to be P3, P4 are the motors. You know what? Good. They will go right there. what is I1? I1's the OLED. That can go like in the middle somewhere. I haven't even considered that this thing is gonna be very hot. Like hot on an insane level. These are the voltage regulator ICs. These have to be on the same side. No, nRF24L01 have to be like at top or something. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna put it to the side for a second. So V in, this IC, and then this IC all have to be like squished together. Because this all the voltage regulators and stuff. These are the capacitors. Oh, thank you for the follow, Praise at Night. Good to have you here. Oh, it's gonna run out of room because it's circular. C1, C2, 5 volts ground to the left and right of the L298. Okay. I don't know where to put things. Try to shift it over here then. Oh, barely. Okay. Now I have a bunch of resistors. Let's see. The R3 to 6 resistors are the sensing ones. So I can take these, throw them up here. Sense A. 4. These are in parallel. Okay. Sense B, flip it around. Okay. That'll work. And then these are the ones for the regulators. So 7, 9, 10, 11, whatever. I wonder if we can just stuff them in here. I wonder if anyone will notice. R7, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11, 7, 9, 11. Okay. And then 8 and 10 go together. It's like right here. Okay. And then we just have capacitors left. Oh, good. Okay. No, we have... Nope, just kidding. As soon as I thought I was done, I have a couple more. Okay. Let's see here. What are these for? 1, 2. These are for the flyback diodes, right. For the whatchamacallits. The most cramped PCB I've ever built. I need a, no. Oh, I need a diode and a switch for the, okay, wait, screw the switch. I don't need the switch. I need a diode for the, power input. Just in case I do something wrong. Because, like, at this point, I'm pretty sure I will at some point. One extra diode. Come on, I can squish this in. Squish, squish, squish. Oh, this has to be flipped. Ooh, it's gonna be close. Oh. Oh boy. This is the resistor for the pull down resistor for solenoid. I'm gonna dump right there. Same for this. Oh, that is super close. That is super close. Alright, P1, P2. What is P1, P2? Is that the solenoid input? It is. P1. Here. P2. Here. Okay. I don't even know if this NRF thing will fit. I don't think there's room for it. We just have capacitors left. Okay. For the AMS, the capacitors I need are C, C3, C4, C5. C, C3, C4, C5. So these ones. These will go VCC ground. VCC. Ah. Nope. No. Okay, so the 3.3 volts is over here, and the VCC is down there. No. Yes. Yes. Alright, where do these go? Oh, they go over there. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to find a way to put it over there. C9 has to be very close to the first one. Okay, I'm gonna have to put these two resistors up here, and then C9 right here, and then C6 C6, 12 volts. Right here. And then C7, C8 on top. Right here. And C8 right above it. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Where's VCC? That's 5 volts. That's right here. Okay, I'll swap them. Nope, nope, nope. Okay, everything's positioned, but I don't know if it will work. Everything is in position. So first of all, I don't know if this nRF will actually fit. I don't know the dimensions for it. Do I have any modules I can use? No. Let's see. They're the basic nRF24L01, they're not the upgraded ones. .5 millimeters. They are 28.5 millimeters. Okay. .12 inches. Really? Really? Oh, great. Okay. So, what that means is from the bottom here to the top where I have room, that is not 1 inch, 1.1 inch. This has to go up. This and this have to go up. Can I just remove this screw here? Can I, like, put this screw in the middle? I've never heard the Tetris theme louder than when it wasn't playing. This board is gonna heat up so badly. I need to put the hole somewhere else. So I need to give this room to fit. Should we push for a third fire department instead of add a fan? I don't think there's room for a fan, Bellum. Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm gonna move this regulator thing. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way first. I'm gonna move all this to the right. Okay, I'm gonna move this back. Move this hole right here, and I'm gonna move this down. Therefore, I can move these pieces back downwards without blocking the top hole. Okay, and then this piece can have at least 1 inch to do whatever it wants. .1125. Is that exactly the right amount? 28.5 mil. No. Memory storage. 1.12. It's exactly enough. 1.125. Oh my goodness. This PCB has never been more exact. I think there's some edges on the Arduino Pro Micro too that prevent it from happening. Yeah, what? Not with that attitude. This is gonna be a mess to routes. You guys want to see what auto route does to it? I kind of want to see what auto route does to it. Okay, we'll see what auto route does to it, and then I will end for today. Auto route. Oh. All. Oh, here we go. Let's see. Oh, it's calculating. It's calculating. Is that it? Did it do it? Routing finished? Oh my goodness. It did it. Did it use any vias? Oh, it did. It used one here, one here. If I use this like a routing mechanism, it's gonna blow up. Yeah, never auto route. Like that's the thing. Like if I use this, it's gonna blow up on my face, like literally. Cause like there's so much power mechanisms going on here that like it's so necessary to route yourself. It's just crazy. I'm gonna put a fifth hole, like right here. Like right here. Like right here. Actually, no. This hole's good enough. All right. Save. Yes, save. I must save. Okay, this hole I'm gonna turn into a thingy. And then I will save all the renaming and all the routing for tomorrow. I can put my logo like smack dab in the center here. This is a nice place for a logo. Right in the center. KiCad does not have an ad route. Yes, I realize that. I would rather auto route this myself. Alright. That's enough fun for today. Alright. So thank you guys for watching today's stream. I'm gonna end it here. Let's go raid someone. Hey, a Kenshi streaming. This isn't KiCad. This is Altium. Oh, what was it for that context? I'll auto-route this myself. Yes. Alright, guys, enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Have a good night. Bye-bye.